again from T-Man Performance. We're ready to release our new no-loss air cleaners. Our filters finally come in, so kind of the wait is over. We've been talking about it for the last couple months, but not really been able to ship anything because of not having our air cleaners. So what I wanted to do is take some time and show you some of the highlights of this air filter. We make two versions, one for the Twin Cam and for the Milwaukee 8. What makes this air cleaner very special is it is in reality the last air cleaner that you have to buy, and it does not include any extra machining if you do go to larger throttle bodies. And to explain that, for an example, on a Twin Cam it comes with a 55mm opening. So if you bought it for your stock throttle body, you would buy it with the 55mm opening, which would be just plug and play. It just pushes in and it screws on. Later down the road, let's say you build a bigger motor and go to a 58 or a 62, then what you can do is you just change out the velocity stack. It makes everything real easy, and it doesn't take any machining as far as the backing plate or anything, and these are held on with two screws that you just lock tight in. This system comes with all the hardware and everything you would need. It comes with a 2.5-inch K&N air filter, which makes for extremely good flow around it. And all the air cleaners are also sealed in the back with the O-ring that comes factory on all the Milwaukee 8s, and we've also incorporated that into the Twin Cam version, so you don't have to run any gasket. It comes with all the standoffs and everything. It's held on by 4 bolts in the back that can be accessed with either a 1/2-inch 12-point or a flex wrench 12-point, and it will come with the 4 flanged serrated stuff. I suggest no Loctite on these, just from the fact it's hard to get them off if you Loctite them on. That's why we put the self-locking flange nuts on it. The other thing I would suggest, for easier access, you can lift the back of the tank to get to that. You don't have to, but you just take the 2 backs out, lift the back, and that makes it easier access. What makes this air cleaner flow so nice is when we paid attention to the detail on this. So when we built the standoffs, we moved them all the way out. So when they plug in here to hold the front cover on, we have no restriction around here at all. And then you incorporate the big volume air cleaner, and then that's why we call it our no loss. We have done dyno testing with this. You will see the same horsepower and torque numbers. I'm going to be honest with you, within 1 or so, some none. That all depends on the dyno day, whether it's hot in there or not. But no loss on this air cleaner, and we find it very attractive on some of the models, like the CVO one. On this one, we have installed the logo for the customer, so you can send us your logo and we'll be more than happy to install it for you. I have these in gloss black, I have them in polished and flat black. So let us know if it's something you might be interested in. They're ready to ship. We're going to offer these at $5.95 for our introductory price, and that will be good till the end of, July, the end of August. So thank you very much.